Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna show you another thing in Python. Suppose you have a sentence, maybe a big sentence, and you want to check whether some word is within that sentence or not. So let's write a sentence, test. So the sentence is, this is a random sentence. It doesn't mean anything. It's just for test purpose. So we have our sentence. So right now this is a big sentence and I want to check whether the word serious is within this sentence or not. So in order to do that, I can write print, and I can use the query word within this. Let's write serious in then test. So the way you can use this, you need to type the word, then you need to type in, then this you need to type the variable that the data is stored. So in my case this is test, so I want to see whether in test there is any word called serious or not. So this will return me a boolean value, so this will either give you true or false. So let's run this one, and here you can see this is giving me the value false. But let's try something else. Let's have this word, and let's copy this word and paste it over here, and let's see whether mean is present in test or not. So if I run this test right now, you can see this is giving me the value true, that yes, mean word is actually present in the test, which is, this is a random sentence, it doesn't mean anything, it's just for test purpose. So this will give you only boolean value, so maybe you can work something out with it as well when you are working on a project or something. So yeah, I'm sure it doesn't mean much, but from time to time it may come handy. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone take care.